drive Kyle Busch here. You see Kyle Busch is hanging on that bottom three. Really good through the corner, and then as he got to the exit, the car just took off on him. Tell you what, Mike, a car that could challenge our leader right now, Kyle Larson, is this guy right here. I've been watching late times. He's got a couple of hits on Kyle about every lap here now, and starting to close that gap a little bit.